all, today we are making masala salmon. Earlier I had told you salmon in a different way. This is with Indian spices. Now let's see how to marinate it. 250 grams of salmon, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, pinch of food color, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander. Now let's see how to marinate it. Once you have washed your fish, you need to dab it with a tissue paper so that the excess water is removed. After that, let's make the marinade first. Take a plate, put all your ingredients, your oil, your spices, ginger garlic paste, everything in the plate and mix it well. One thing, if you don't have cayenne pepper, what you can do is you can add Kashmiri red chili and little bit of normal chili powder in it. Though it won't have that smoky flavor, but still that can be substituted with chili powder. Squeeze lemon after you've added the spices. Add coriander leaves and mix it really well to make the marinade, and then rub it all over the fish. Nicely coating all the surface all around, and then keep it to rest in refrigerator for 30 minutes so that it can absorb all the flavors in it. Make sure to cover it nicely when you're putting it in the refrigerator. 30 minutes are good enough for the fish to soak up all the flavors. Now let's fry it after 30 minutes. First, the skin side down on a hot pan. I used only half teaspoon of oil to fry it because there's enough oil in the fish naturally. We've used it in the marinade too, which is enough for the fish. Pour all the marinade you have in the plate over the fish. Fry it skin side down for 2 minutes so that the skin can get a little crispy. Then turn it around and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Also, we do not want to end up with an oily fish dish. That's the reason we do not require too much of oil while frying it. Salmon takes barely 5 to 6 minutes to cook, and if the fillets are thinner, then you have to be really vigilant. Within 5 minutes it should be done. After 3 minutes, what you can do is you can cover it with a lid so that the fish can be steamed through inside. Open the lid after 2 minutes again. Cook it for 1 more minute and your fish should be done. Our masala salmon is ready to serve. You can serve it with your choice of chutney or dal and rice or onions or lemon, anything. Whatever is the accompaniment, it'll taste great. Vegetarians can make the same recipe with paneer too. If you like my recipes and like this one too, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching and see you again next time with a new recipe. Namaskar.